In a world where most traders lose money, one man rose above the rest to become a billionaire. Not a tech genius, not a Wall Street banker, just a man with a plan. This is the story of the richest trader in the world and the secrets behind his unbelievable success. Meet Jim Simons, the billionaire math genius, the mind behind Renaissance technologies, and the richest trader in history. His estimated net worth, over $28 billion. But here's the twist. He didn't start as a trader. Jim was a mathematician and codebreaker. He worked for the U.S. government cracking codes before using math and algorithms to crack the stock market. So what's his secret? Jim Simons doesn't trade like others. He relies on data and mathematical models. While most traders follow emotions, he follows code. His flagship fund, the Medallion Fund, averaged 66% annual returns for over 2 decades. That's unheard of. Even Warren Buffett doesn't come close. Here are 3 powerful lessons from Jim Simons. Rule number 1, trust the numbers. Don't rely on gut feelings. Always let the data decide. Rule number 2, eliminate emotions. The market punishes emotions. Simons' team let the algorithms do the trading. Rule number 3, stay curious. Even as a billionaire, Simons kept learning. He hired physicists, astronomers, even linguists to improve his models.